Hi everyone, the topic of today's class is games and activities. Listen and repeat. Baseball, checkers, cards, chess, pet parrot, table tennis, tennis, walk, clean, polish, drive, paint, read, sit, sing, skate, ski, type, swim, talk, assemble, ride, write, golf. Listen and repeat. What sport can he play? He can play golf. What sport can she play? She can play table tennis. What game can they play? They can play checkers. What game can they play? They can play chess. Can he type? Yes, he's typing now. Can he swim? Yes, he's swimming now. Can she skate? Yes, she's skating now. Can she drive? Yes, she's driving now. Construct a sentence using all the words and punctuation marks. Construct sentences using the vocabulary words. Describe each image with a complete sentence. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.